Everyone, and welcome back to another WWE SuperCard 7 Season 21 Tier video. Just a very quick one. These new picks have just hit the store. The excellence of execution. I'm going to do them. So I thought, might as well make a video of it. It's only going to be a short video again. A little bit of a pack opening, but at least if I do manage to get the Bret Hart card, I can share it with you. I have no expectations with these. Let's just see if we can get one. First pack, here we go. Boom, nothing. Second pack, boom, nothing. Third pack, oh, we've got one. There we go, we have got one. Wow, managed to get one. That's the first one in the free. There we go. So managed to get one. Sweet. Let's try last two. Boom. Nope. And last one. Here we go. Nope. So we did manage to get one. Happy days. Hopefully you guys, if you do try them, you'll get one. But we've got a Bret Hart card. Happy days. Until the next one, thanks again for tuning in. Take care and peace out. Thank you.